following surgery for snapping triceps syndrome. We did an anterior transposition of the ulnar nerves and removed part of the triceps here, which was flicking. And now when we flex here, we don't see that flicking anymore. It's gone. And even though it's only 6 weeks, you're already describing pain relief, right?
Oh, hugely, yeah. A lot of strength coming back into my arm.
The nerve is here, so when I tap it, she feels it.
Yeah.
Going down to the finger. When we try to palpate it, it's not really that sensitive at all, so I can touch it. I can touch the scar, although it's still a little bit sensitive. And you're working very hard with physio now to get the strength back and get it to work.
And you remember when she was anesthetized, you could still see the bulk of the muscle pushing the nerve forward, which is not doing anymore.
So this is me 8 weeks post-surgery now, and I don't know if you can see, it's actually quite difficult to see, but I have a small scar here on my elbow that's healed quite well. And yeah, I've regained like full range of movement in my arms. My hands are feeling like stronger and stronger every day as I'm working through my daily exercises, and I'd say that I've fully recovered now, which is great. But I fully recovered 6 weeks after my surgery. So I've been resuming normal activities, going to the gym since 2 weeks ago. So my surgery went really well as was expected. I think there were no unforeseen issues. It all went to plan. And yeah, I was in hospital and discharged, half a day later, like same day basically. So it was great.